this is Catherine Parker, and I wanted to show you around my room. I am at the lodge at Schroon Lake. This is in New York. It's in between Saratoga Springs and Lake Placid. So let's take a look. This is a newly renovated property. So here we have a kitchenette. It's got a mini fridge, it's got a microwave, it's got in-room coffee with lots of different coffees, carrot maker. Got this shelf up here. It's kind of cool. Loving the sink and the faucet, stainless steel. Let's see if there's anything to do on here. No, it's just empty. So this is another nice feature. It's a giant coat rack that you can actually completely load up. I've got all my luggage right there. Here's a closet. Can put some stuff, extra bedding, hangers. This is a 2-room suite, so I've got a living area here. It's totally working the Adirondack look. A couple of club chairs with a nice leather sofa. Some rustic wood accents and furniture. Large screen television. Over here we've got a small writing desk. It's kind of dark, but I do have this window. We'll take a look at the view in the morning. So let's go take a look at the sleeping area. I entered off of a interior hall. So here we go. Got 2, looks like, full-size beds. Accent wall with some kind of sculptures above. It's got a wood lodge kind of feel. There's a full-length mirror. Got another large television over a console here. There's a club chair in the corner, which is nice. Yeah, let's see. This is our clock radio plus a charging station on top of a cool accent piece there. It looks like a stump. Here is another closet with the iron and the board. Oh, there's a sconce. Let me see if I can turn that on. That's kind of cool. Oh, yeah, there it goes. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna turn that light off and keep the sconce on. Got a large luggage rack. Here is the bathroom. Let's take a look. It's actually quite large bathroom. There's a stone countertop, a large vanity, mirror, plenty of light. There is a shower. Like I said, this property is new. Oh, see, I thought it was a tub, but it's not. It's actually a shower with a large shower head. And there we go. There's our toiletries. Those are rosemary and chia. Again, I am at the lodge at Schroon Lake, and this is room 313, and it is a 2-bed, 2-room suite. And there's a restaurant on the property, and I was gonna go check out what else they had in the morning.